class. My name's Jamie Potts, and today we're going to go over the poem. I'm going to reread the poem that we read the other day in class. I'll read it rather quickly, and then we're going to discuss the different parts of it. The poem is Nature Is. Nature is the endless sky, the sun of golden light, a cloud that floats serenely by the silver moon of night. Nature is a sandy dune, a tall and stately tree, the waters of a clear lagoon, the billows on the sea. Nature is a gentle rain and winds that howl and blow, a thunderstorm, a hurricane, a silent field of snow. Nature is a tranquil breeze and pebbles on a shore. Nature's each and all of these and infinitely more. Now, we discussed the other day the different parts to a poem, and we're going to discuss the different parts of the poem, of this poem. First of all, does anyone know what poetry is? Poetry is, it's a literary work using special feelings and ideas. It can rhyme, it cannot rhyme, it doesn't have to rhyme. A metaphor. Metaphors are sometimes used in poetry. A metaphor is when you compare things without using like or as. Good job, Miss Tracy. Onomatopoeia. Who knows what onomatopoeia is? Does anybody know? That's not it, Miss Tracy. Onomatopoeia is when a sound's word imitates its meaning. And a stanza. Stanza is a group of consecutive lines in a poem, like a verse in a poem. But we also use verse as another name for poetry. Now, what I've created here is our word wall. Some of you might know what a word wall is. It's just a collection of words that you can refer to when you're writing something or when you're thinking about something. And we're going to fill out the word wall with our terms. Our first one is poetry. So we're going to write poetry. Right there. We know that poetry is the literary work expressing feelings and ideas. Again, it can rhyme, it cannot rhyme. Poetry's right here. Every time you see it, you'll think about what it means, hopefully. Metaphor, under M. Metaphor is comparing two things without using like or as. Metaphor. Onomatopoeia. That's a big word. As my kids would say, that's a watermelon word. I gotta figure out how to spell this one. Onomatopoeia is when a word imitates the sound that it makes. Stanza is a group of consecutive lines in a poem that make up a single unit. Uh-oh. Here we go. And a verse. Verse is just another word for poetry. All right. And this, it doesn't look very filled out right now. You can leave it up here. You can add to it different subjects, maybe do a different subject. These are poetry, or you could refer to them as English words. You could do maybe math words, concept words in red, science words in green. You can use it for many different purposes. Anytime you want to remember a word, you can add it to the word wall. So now, it's fine. In our poem right here, Nature, each verse or each stanza is 4 lines long. Can you see this? Each stanza is 4 lines long, so we know that's our stanza. So I'm going to give you guys, hopefully, this quiz that you can fill out. You don't have to do it right now. We can do it. This is what they're going to fill out. And hopefully this word wall and having this word wall will help you guys remember what you are supposed to be doing in the vocabulary words. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little lesson. Thank you very much. It's okay. Bye-bye. Thank you.